Language focus. Kids, let's read the names of fruits and vegetables. So, let's read with me fruits names. Apricot,
Apricot,
watermelon,
watermelon,
pineapple,
pineapple,
strawberry.
strawberry.
Well done, students. Now, kids, let's read vegetables name with me. Turnip,
Turnip,
cucumber,
cucumber,
okra,
okra,
brinjal.
brinjal.
Very good, kids. Now, kids, let me know about the fruits and vegetables.
Brinjal, it's a vegetable. Watermelon, it's a fruit. Okra, it's a vegetable. Strawberry, it's a fruit. Onion, it's a vegetable. Pineapple, it's a fruit.
Excellent. Good job, students. Kids, read the given sight words and write them in the shape boxes that fit.
Little, then, we, have, out.
Excellent. Good job, students. Kids, we all know about the proper noun and action words. Can you tell me what is the proper noun?
A proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, etc. We always capitalize the first letter of a proper noun. And teacher, I don't know about action words.
Words that express actions are called action words. For example, Faisal, Karachi, playing, reading. So kids, now read the given sentences, find the proper noun and action words. Fatima is reading. Fatima is a proper noun. Start with the capital letter and reading is an action word.
We live in Lahore. Lahore is the proper noun. Start with the capital letter and live is an action word. Ali does exercise every day. Ali is a proper noun. Start with the capital letter and exercise is an action word.
Excellent. Well done, students. Creative writing. Kids, I hope you will try to practice today's lesson at home by asking small questions at home and write their answers. Kids, complete the given sentences and write one more sentences about your favorite fruit. Also draw your favorite fruit and color it. For example, apple is my favorite fruit. Its color is. Thank you. Happy learning.